a female artist you have to work like hata 8 times more than a male artist, and when it comes to shows male artists watalipwa more than female artists, like in every situation.
Sijai understand kabisa, sijai understand hiyo nini kabisa, ati lazima tunakuja mimi let's say na nani, let's say na Dufla, hata tumekuja show alafu Dufla na pop some mob, ama pia ni uko happy kwenye career yako, unajua pia inachangia
either way. Let me tell you for a fact, who's the biggest artist mwenye demo in Kenya right now?
Kenya. I think the biggest is Nadia.
Tuchukue Nadia Mkami. And who's the biggest male artist right now in Kenya?
There are so many. Tuchukue Bien.
You know, just on paper, if there was a show that is happening right now, there is Nadia Mukami, there is Bien. Who's likely to be paid more than who?
Bien.
Right?
Hiyo swali tuulize promoter ni kwa nini? Why?
Now you see, yet ukiangalia both of them, they are big artists. Nadia Mukami is a big name. Ako na catalog, anaweza perform for hours.
Yes.
Bien ako na catalog pia anaweza akaperform for hours.
Yes.
Why can we have a system that either hata walipo equal basi mtu akasema inakujia because of the red card, labda Bien red card yake ni 400,000 na Nadia Mukami red card yake ni 200,000. Sasa as a promoter si utalipa mtu according
to na red card yake.
Yes.